Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made up question not found in your textbooks. We want to find the power output for the hydroelectric plant. So it's got a volume flow rate of 71 cubic meters per second, and it is 66 meters tall above the turbine. The efficiency is 86%. The answer is B, 39.5 megawatts. So we can skip free body diagram, list all the given variables. For step 2, find the unknown. Step 3, find the power formula. So W dot is power multiplied, which is equal to density multiplied by volume flow rate, multiplied by gravity, multiplied by elevation, multiplied by the efficiency. Step 4, plug and play. We're going to assume the density of water is pure water, which is 1000 kilograms per meter cubed. So we've got density of water multiplied by volume flow rate. So that is V dot multiplied by gravity, 9.81 meters per second squared, multiplied by the elevation, 66 meters, multiplied by 86% for the efficiency. And we'll get 39.5 megawatts for the output power. Disclaimers: the method is correct, however I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Now before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC, just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things happen. You can do this by using snipping tool. If you never used it before, follow these instructions. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of snipping tool. First, you click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not there, go to your Windows search, type in snipping tool, open up the program. Click on video option, click on new. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button in snipping tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish, hit the red square in snipping tool to stop recording, and then save your video. Thanks for watching, hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake in the video, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.